Good evening, respected sir and ma'am. Today I would like to talk about our idea, the sign language translator. So, what is our idea? Our idea is to make an app that recognizes ASL as spoken by a deaf person and translates it into English. In simple terms, our app can translate American Sign Language into written English and vice versa. Our app is an AR app which, when pointed at a person who is speaking ASL, recognizes his gestures and translates them into English. We believe that not much attention has been paid to this specific problem. Although deaf people usually have assistants at hand, helping them lead a more independent life is important. Working. So, currently, we intend to develop our first prototype using Teachable Machine, which is a popular open source platform by Google that helps us make machine learning models easily. With this platform's pose detection preset, we will be able to recognize the person's different poses. We will train our model to classify different poses as different words in ASL. After training the model sufficiently, we will export that model through Google's API and access our model through this API so that our app can access this model. Then we will display the results in our app so that the uh, person can see the results. So here is how machine works. First of all, we add samples of each class or probable result we are intending to predict. Then we train our model, and after that, we export our model to use it in our project. So, if this idea is approved, we would look forward towards improving our machine learning model and will try to make it more sophisticated and reliable. We would appreciate industrial and institutional support given to us in order to develop this idea. Thank you.